Okay, this one says use sigma notation to represent the sum of the geometric sequence with the first term of 3, all right? So that means that my A1 is equal to 3, and then my common ratio is 10 over 9. So in general, there's a couple ways you could do this. One is you could say k is equal to 1 raised to the n A1 times r raised to the k minus 1. Now that's the one way to do it. The other way to do it is you could say k equals 0 to n, but it's like n minus 1. It's hard to describe. Like, I don't like this one, this variation, because if you say k to the 0, then it's like a1 r to the k, but your first term is not your first term. So I don't like this one. You could do it this way, but it gives you an extra term. Your first term is like a sub 0 is what, and really, if we're being technical, this should be like this, and then this would be like a n minus 1, or, so if you do this, I don't like this. I don't know why I even wrote it down. So this is the formula. So then, oh, actually, it's not a, it's a, my bad. This is just a1. This is just a1. Okay. So anyways, so which one is that? Well, that's just going to be k equals 1. What's my first term? 3 raised to the 10 over 9 k minus 1. So A is the answer. That's it.